Alright guys, so we're over here at Legate Beach, guys, having lunch under this little cute pavilion. Weather is not too great. It's gonna be rainy the whole day. Check it out. But yeah, I just want to apologize, guys. I haven't been doing a lot of YouTube long videos. I've been just concentrating on the shorts, like YouTube shorts and Instagram reels. So yeah, catch me on Instagram. I'm very, very active over there. But yeah, I'm just waiting for some sunshine, guys, which that's probably not gonna happen today, but just a break in the weather, that would be great, because I want to fly my drone over towards the old Coco Palms Resort, guys, because they're doing some demolition work. So that should be some interesting footage for you guys to see what's going on over there. But yeah, guys, let me show you guys our lunch for today. Check it out. Jess, where'd you pick all these up?
Safeway?
Safeway, guys.
It's not shark, that's a turtle. No, all the way at
I know, I seen a turtle.
Yeah, that's a turtle. See, right there, still there.
There's a turtle, guys. Just check it out. Where is it? See the turtle? You see it? Oh, way out there. Thing's way out there. Yeah, a turtle spotting, guys. Turtle spotting.
And this one is yummy too.
Oh, brought my choking here.
It's that.
Alright, guys, so yeah, this is what we're working with over here, guys. Check it out. We got some seafood action. Look at that. Ooh. This is, oh, I can't even see the label.
This is wasabi poke.
Wasabi poke?
Yeah. And
Poke
this is
wasabi.
kimchi taco.
Kimchi taco, guys.
Salad taco.
Octopus. Salad octopus.
And then this is the scallop.
Scallops?
Yeah.
Wow, guys. Oh, my lens is fogging up, guys. But yeah, that's what we're working with. And then also, we got a drink here. Long Island iced tea. Cut water, guys. Ooh, I gotta wipe my lens. Hi, Romeo.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Mr. Romeo, check out his nice shirt, guys. Woo! Alright, guys, so we got some chickens over here, guys. Look at that.
The handsome boy.
Look at that. Wow, what are you guys doing? Woo! Handsome boy over there. Handsome boy.
Oh, the baby got there.
Wow. Oh, I got some minor birds over there too, guys. Check it out. And a cardinal. Hello, Mr. Cardinal. Oh, not that. Hello, Mr. Cardinal. Look at that. Oh, hello, chickens. Beautiful chickens. Oh, are you in charge here? Oh, look at that one, Jess.
Look. Oh, the baby get it. Ah, the baby run.
The baby run.
The baby run.
Wait. Uh-oh. Hey, run, run. Run.
We got some pigeons over here too, guys. Alright, guys, so that was a very, very successful flight. I got real close to Jess, guys, over at the sandbar. I don't know if you guys can see them there, all the way at the end of that little sandbar. So we do have a little sandbar here on Kauai, guys. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that little drone footage. And I don't know if I'm gonna join Jess, guys. They're way over there. Let me show you guys. show you guys where they are. I'm zooming that much, but I don't know if you guys can see them. They're way over there. Let me try manual focus, guys. It's manual focus. Okay, manual focus right. But yeah, they're way over there, guys. Yeah. Woo! So yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. I got more content coming. I promise you guys I'm gonna do more long videos also, in addition to all my shorts and Instagram reels and all that kind of good stuff, guys. So yeah, if you guys want to know how we live here on the islands of Hawaii, make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys. Smash it, guys. Check out the grass over here. Check out the grass. All right.